Virtual story time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. I hope you all have had a super fabulous week, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for story time. Before we get to our story, we're going to sing some songs, clap our hands, stomp our feet, have some fun, and then we'll get cozy, and we'll get ready for our story. So the first thing we're going to do is we always start story time with our hello song. Are we ready? We need our clapping hands and our waving hands, and then we'll stomp our feet. Okay, friends, on the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your nose? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Now we're going to stomp our feet. Hello, hello. Can we stomp our feet? Hello, hello. Can you stomp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Great job, my friends. So we're gonna sing one more song together. And this song, actually we're gonna sing 2 songs today. Both songs are gonna be about the days of the week. And it's just a good way for us to practice so we can remember which day of the week we're on. So story time happens every single Friday at 11 a.m. So let's learn the days of the week song and sing it together to help us remember when we're going to meet again for another story. So you can snap your fingers, cluck your tongue, or you can even stomp your feet and clap your hands. Are we ready? So it goes like this. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday today. And then there's Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, ready friends? All together, one more time. So, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday today, and then there's Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job, friends. Great job. Okay, so today we are reading the story Wiggle Giggle Tickle Train. And the story is by Nora, Hilb, and Sharon, Jennings. And there's some great illustrations and there's some great pictures in this story too. Up with the sunrise, color it bright, dazzle and sparkle, such a fiery light. Good morning. And there's the sunrise. Beautiful photo. And then there's an illustration of another beautiful sunrise. Trains in the station pulling out fast. Wiggle, giggle, tickle, and laugh. Choo choo. Jump in and paddle. Web feet can dabble. Splishing and splashing and waddling say, what did ducks say? Quack, quack. Zooming and vrooming, we won't slow down. Ooh, what zooms and vrooms and doesn't slow down sometimes. And faster, we're racing around. Look at that fancy car. Honk, honk. Great job. Hold on to the saddle. Pony might prance. Bucking and frisky, he's roaming the ranch. Giddy up, pony. Giddy up. Tongues give a wiggle. Tooths give a wriggle when they're loose. Grin with a gap as you say, peekaboo. Jet planes are roaring, wings flung so wide, gleaming and climbing, and guess what? Touching the sky. Tap is drip dropping, hear it plink plonking. Water goes splash as it spills from the jug. Oops. So there's a tap dripping. Oh, and it looks like he spilt some water. Candles are glowing, frosting is sweet. Gooey and ooey and yummy, yum yum, let's eat. And there they are, there's a candle. And when it's your birthday, you have some candles on your birthday cake. So there they are, blowing the candles out. Paper boats floating, put out to sea, sailing or rowing, the captain, well, it's me. Ahoy, mateys. Picture of a sailboat, and again, they're using their imagination, and they're using a box as their sailboat. Lots of fun. Gallop or canter, horses like to trot. Clippity, cloppity, clippity, clap. Nay, says the horse. Bedtime for baby, safe in our house. Lullaby, rockabye, shushaby, shh, shh, hush. A house. And she's using her imagination, and that's her house. And that's her putting her baby to bed. Cut out the bright moon, hang it with a thread, shimmering, glimmering over my bed. Sleep tight, my friends, sleep tight. And that, my friends, is the end of Wiggle Giggle Tickle Train. Cute story. Okay, so before we sing our goodbye song, we are going to sing one more song about the days of the week, and it goes to the tune of the song, Are You Sleeping? So, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Okay, are we ready? I'll go through it once, and then you can join me for the second round. Today is Friday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Thursday, tomorrow will be Saturday, now we're done. Oh, what fun. So if today's Friday, yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. It's a good way for us to remember the days of the week, right? Let's try it one more time. Today is Friday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Thursday, tomorrow will be Saturday, now we're done. Oh, what fun. Thanks, friends. Are we ready? Let's get our waving hands ready. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. See you next Friday. Bye for now.